Hey Mavericks, it's Amanda. For today's Wellness Wednesday, I'm gonna share with you guys how to make this Halloween super fun for your kids without the candy and sugar overload. If you're like many parents, you wanna give your kiddos the best Halloween experience with dressing up, going trick-or-treating, and sorting their goodies at the end of the night. But if you'd like to reduce the amount of sugar that your kids have, try introducing the Switch Witch. The Switch Witch is a friendly Halloween witch that loves candy and will bring presents in exchange for it. It's a great way to still give your kids a really fun Halloween minus all the candy. Here's how to incorporate the Switch Witch in your home. So the first step that you're gonna wanna do is to start introducing the Switch Witch into your conversations, whether that's telling a little background story of how she came to be, why she really loves candy. It's kind of like a Halloween version of Santa Claus, and mention maybe a toy that they have been wanting or mentioned before, and that'll definitely pique their interest. The second step is to get dressed up and enjoy your night out trick-or-treating. Third step is have the kids come home, sort out all of their loot and organize it. That's usually half of the fun. And then have them pick out their absolute favorite candies and then to designate a pile that they're gonna give to the Switch Witch. Fourth step is after the kiddos have gone to bed, gather all the candy and hide it really well until you can get it out of the house entirely. And of course, not before treating yourself. There are some really great ways that you can actually donate the candy instead of just throwing away if you choose, such as Operation Gratitude, Soldiers Angels, and Ronald McDonald House. And the last and most fun step is to leave the toy where they have left the candy for the Switch Witch and watch their eyes light up as they play with their new present. We hope you enjoyed this week's Wellness Wednesday. Have a very fun and safe Halloween, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.